I'm Kate Olahusky. I'm a dentist in Omaha, Nebraska. I was pregnant with my second child, and he was due in January, so I was a little concerned about whooping cough. Children born in the winter are susceptible to getting whooping cough, and so I wanted to have my family vaccinated against it. I looked all around town at different pharmacies, and they were not able to provide the Tdap vaccine, which covers diphtheria, tetanus, and pertussis. And pertussis is the whooping cough. And all infants under the age of 1 are extremely susceptible to whooping cough. It actually causes them to cough so hard that sometimes they can't breathe, and so we thought it was very important for everybody that was going to come in contact with our child to be vaccinated. Infants have no natural immunity to whooping cough, and it's dangerous to them, so I looked all around town at all the pharmacies in town, and no one was able to provide the Tdap vaccination except for Kohll. So we sent everybody in our family and extended family to Kohll's to get vaccinated. I would definitely recommend Kohll's Pharmacy for all expectant parents. They were able to provide us with a vaccine that helped keep our babies safe.